Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you're so very welcome indeed. About a couple of days ago, I did a little short and I was telling you that I just didn't feel like wearing foundation and this was my makeup, look for the day. And you guys flooded my DMs. Hi, my darlings. How are you? How are we? Living and loving the hair. Just look at the hair. Just look at the hair. Just look at the hair. Healthy Hair Studio, my darlings. Discount code Fumi. But what I am living and loving, I don't know whether I can show you. Let me come into, yes, the shade. I'm not wearing any foundation. Do you guys want me to do a makeup tutorial using no foundation? I just didn't feel like it today. I really did not. The sun is out. I'm running around today. So I just put a little lip. I did my brows. I put a little bit of powder underneath the eye and a blusher. And that was it. Are we living and loving? I love it. I love it. And then of course, look at the hair. Look at a real close look. Healthy Hair Studio. Discount code for me. You loved it so much, especially my work girlies that have your fabulous 9 to 5 and you're in the office and you're like, Fumi, I want you to do this makeup tutorial again step by step because I go to work. I don't want it to be on my jawline. I don't want it on my neck. I would really love to see it. And so I thought, why not? So this is the finished look, but we're going to go back in and we're going to do a step by step. But before that, I want to talk about this fabulous brand, Pomp Academy. They are on YouTube, they're on Facebook, they're on Instagram, they're on Twitter, and it says, you got this. Okay, Lash Boss, we're rooting for you. A fantastic brand of which I have never seen anything like. And it is a Lash Academy. Just look at everything that they sent, and I'm going to bring out a couple of stuff for you to see. It's a Lash Academy where you can go ahead and take lash courses. You can go on, my darlings, and be that lash queen and start your business because things have changed so much. And just look at the models that they have of which you can do your lashes on. It's so fabulous. I was so impressed. And you can take the lash out and then you can place it back in, lash lid, should I say, the eyelid of my beautiful model. And I just thought it was so fabulous to see a girl that looks like me. They have 2 shades so that you can have an idea of what your lashes look like. And if you guys want to have an update on how to do lashes, I am your girl. They have the individual lashes. There's everything in this kit. I'm going to put everything down below for you. And then here you have, it says, dear Fumi, welcome to the Pomp Academy family. Is this not amazing? Oh, thank you, my darling. Very well put together. One of the best PR kits I have seen in a good while. And this is all of the details of everything that you get. The official classic lash extension application manual. Just look at how fabulous this is. And then just look at the tools as well. This is absolutely fantastic. So, Pomp Academy, congratulations. And then there's a lollipop. I'm going to give this to Adrian. Fantastic. Thank you, Pomp Academy. Guys, like I said, I'll put all of the details for you. And without any further ado, let us get into my everyday look without using foundation. I hope you enjoy. All of my love. We go back to the beginning. And this is my Power Grip Primer. I have another one, 4% niacinamide. So I use these 2. Okay. It's a little pump. There we go. And you're going to put that all over the face, okay? The brand or the product that I cannot live without, Thick Stick by NYX, and I use this in cocoa. It is absolutely fantastic. Fantastic. So what I do, I go, as you can see, I've got a little bit of shadow underneath my eyes. and you just spot correct. So if you have any little spots, just correct that. Okay, just dab there on the cheek. It's a little bit of pigmentation, then you just correct that. And I put a little bit on the laugh lines here. There we go. Here, a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit there, and that should be it for now. Yeah, okay. I love this. When I tell you I love it, I absolutely love it. I also bought it in sienna, and that's like a lighter shade. That's sienna in the inner tear duct right there. Okay, flat brush, there you go, and I just dab. You can also, if you don't have, as a matter of fact, if you don't, let me just use a beauty blender. You can also smooth that out and you can blend it. Makipu, and this is NW45, and this is a lovely pressed powder. And so I go in with a dry, not damp, because the first one that I showed you is damp, soft. This one is pretty hard, and I just roll it in. I literally press that in. And just look. And this is what I wear now. I do not wear foundation. I will move over and do a little light contour. So let me get, because I've got my stashables. I've got clothes all over the place, I know, but you see, I've got lots of makeup and everything here, and this is like all the makeup brushes and everything. Forget it. So I am using the Morphe 8D, and this is a gift from Christina. Yeah, the way I do makeup now has changed. Change. It's not that serious. You just want to look nice. You want to look presentable every day. I go in with the two dark shades and I mix it, and I just do a very light contour, and I start with the hollows of my cheeks. Can you see? So it gives you that hue right there, and I just circle that right around my hairline, right over to the other side. I'll do a little under the chin, but not necessarily the jawline. I will do a little down the bridge of the nose in the cooler color. Go right into my lid, bring it all the way down. Then I'll put a little powder over my brow. That way I can see it. Oh. It's a Makeup Forever brow pencil. Fantastic. It's got an edge to it, and I love it. I just live and love it. I do. So I'm going to use like a smaller mirror, Jaclyn Hill highlighter, of which I love, but the collection is discontinued now. Okay, so what I do, I just give it little strokes in front of my hairline. Da-da-da-da. And I wanted to tell you, for a very long time, I used to have my brows at the end swish right across. For whatever reason, I've just changed. I don't like it that way anymore. So I bring it down so that it really just kind of complements the face-ish in a sense. And then light strokes across. And then right across and down. For such a long time I had it where I had the brow right across, and some of you told me, Fumi, no, maybe you should not have your brow so severe. But you know, when you have a certain look in your hair that you think is nice, that's the certain look that you have in your hair that you think is nice. The brows are sisters and they are not twins, okay? I'm just trying to match them up because they do look a little crazy right now, but it's okay, we'll correct it. This is a discontinued Morphe brush of which I live and love. NC48. Voila. I know it's a bit dirty, sorry. NC48, and I just sharpen the brow. So I'm just using another brush to blend it out, and that just sharpens the brow. Okay. Then I use a big fluffy brush. Let's say I use this one. Yeah, that's okay. And I go in with the contour, because this is the bronzer, this is the contour. And what I do, I just circle it around and just go right into the crease. That's where I'm just trying to darken. It just really complements the eye. And I go underneath as well. That's it. If you want a little drama, I would take my Rebellion nudes from the discontinued, oh wow, discontinued colored rain. Yes, they've discontinued, mama. It was good when it lasted. And what I do, I will go right into my crease. Right into my crease there. Can you see? That's all I'm going to do. And then I go over that with a bigger brush and just soften it. Everything is to be soft. Soft in your 50s. Soft life. Oh God. And just blend it out, and it is so complimentary. So complimentary. There you go. That's all that you need. Pat McGrath. Fantastic. The pitchiest black ever. And I just line at the edge just to give it some kind of shape. And this is a matte liner. It's absolutely fabulous. They're having an event and they've invited me, so maybe I will vlog it for you guys when I go. It's next month. And then the trick is to use your liner on the edge and then go under the lid, not on top. That makes it very feline. It's such a pretty look. If you have watery eyes like mine, pull your wing up, because when it waters, then you can always dab it underneath and it won't destroy your makeup. But if you put your wing lower, it will mess up your makeup. This is also by Pat McGrath. Fabulous. And I did not know it at the time, but I think it was limited edition. And it is so pretty. It's got like a plum, like a pink, like a peach. So what I do, I just circle it around like so and just drop it on the cheeks. Ever so lightly. You don't have to do too much. I overdo it sometimes, and you do check me. You're like, Fumi, the cheeks it's a bit much. That's okay. That's okay. I don't mind. Just set it and just let it dry. Bad girl bang mascara, because I have short lashes. As you can see, I do not wear falsies. Sometimes I'll wear them for special events. Sometimes I'll wear on the show when I want to be glam. Then I do a little bit underneath. And then I use my mascara wand and I just really bring that brow together. This is the trick, and I love it so much. And I just do it all over, and that gives the most beautiful natural brow. MAC, and this is Chestnut. It's the best lip pencil ever. And this is an old nude lipstick by Gigi Hadid in collaboration with Maybelline. Fabulous. And it's very bright, but I'm going to tone it down. And I blend that in. And then I go in with a Kylie Cosmetics lip, and I put that on top, and it's just the most beautiful. Darlings, and that is it. That is my everyday makeup tutorial. And this is without foundation and getting makeup onto my clothes. I absolutely love it, and I hope you were able to get some tips and tricks. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a while, but here we are. So do not forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and let me know down in the comment section what parts of this did you like and whether you want me to do more makeup tutorials. I am dedicating this makeup tutorial to beautiful Chloe in Scotland. I had asked her, I said, what would you like me to do? And she said, Fumi, I would love you to do some more makeup tutorials, so I'm dedicating this one to you. Okay, to my Scottish family. I love you guys so much. All the best, my darlings. Bye. Love you. Mwah.